Here is the truth. Most traders are failing with lead trading, not because lead doesn't work, but because they are trying to trade every single concept they see. Now, that's a gambling mentality. The way to win is to stop chasing everything and master just one setup. Today, I am going to break down exactly how to use one setup of liquidity inducement theorem, not as a standalone signal, but as part of a system. Once you focus on one clean setup and backtest it, you will stop second guessing and start trading with confidence. First thing we will talk about is that price, for example, is doing higher high and higher low, then higher high. Now we are interested a pullback to continue uptrend. Let's say we have point of interest around here, maybe here, or at the extreme. What we are looking for as lead traders is something like this, building up a liquidity. Then inducement into mitigation to our BOI, then lower time frame charge. Now this is very simple to understand. This one we can consider it as Asian liquidity. Price went up, then pullback, then went up again, breaking a recent high, creating build-up of liquidity during Asian session. And at London Open, let's say this is the first hour of London Open, then price at London Open induced the Asian low to mitigate our point of interest or demand to go higher to clear all this liquidity in Asian high. This concept or this one setup is very simple. Let me show you a live example so you can understand it better. Maybe first let's see a bearish example. Same thing, but price is going low, is doing lower low, lower high, lower low. What we are looking for is our point of interest. Let's say at the extreme. Price is building up liquidity during Asian session. Price induced Asian session liquidity and mitigated our point of interest. This green rectangle represents London Open, the first hour. Now that price mitigated our point of interest, we are expecting that this week low, because price is doing lower low, lower high, lower low, and then pull back. This is lower low until this high is broken. If not broken, then we are considering that this low is weak. Price will break it eventually. After mitigating or inducing into mitigation, it took liquidity from Asian high. Now we are expecting price to go down to take liquidity of the Asian low. This is very simple to understand. Let's go for a live chart. Now what we are looking for is same thing. We can say this point of interest, we can take this one because it has its own liquidity. Let me show you something like this. This looks like a trend line liquidity, as you can see. Maybe if price come back here, which is unlikely because price is very bullish. Anyway, let's continue. It looks like to me price is gonna break this high. Yeah, it is broken. Now that this price broke the high, we are looking for our point of interest. This is the extreme. This is the second point of interest. In case this one fail, we have our extreme of point of interest. We are waiting for London Open. Let's forward price. There is two ways you can enter this one. In case this one fails, then we don't expect this one to hold because as you can see, we have liquidity or almost double bottom. If this one fails, then price may break this low. Anyways, there's two ways to enter this one. You can take an extreme order, extreme limit order, target the high of the Asian session. The second way or the second entry is to enter after confirmation of change of character. I think I missed this one. Let's cancel. This should have been like this. There was low chance that price would uh, touch this small candle. I should have taken at least one to two or three candles. Anyways, for education purpose, let's say we took it from here, still good 5 hour. We go to 1 minute to look for entry, and as you can see, break structure happened here or change of character. Maybe it will come back here. Always price tends to create liquidity. Like it's doing right now, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then sweep this low, then went up again. There is high chance that price will come back here. TP same place, Asian high. First, let's see 3 minutes because we might miss this one. Who knows? I don't think price will get up to until here. Maybe like this. Let's cover this imbalance. If we miss, we miss it. It looks like a miss. Never mind. Let's continue. Let's set limit order here. Cover the whole zone. take profit at the Asian high. It is triggered. I don't know what happened here. It was triggered then. Maybe no, it was not market rollover. Anyways, let's continue. We will consider both a winner to the next day. As you can see, we have not broken this high, but we took liquidity from Asian high. What we have here is like low, higher high. It is creating higher low. Our clear point of interest would be this one. If this one broke, then the trend is changed. The point of interest seems a bit larger. Let's go to 3 minutes and see if we can. Yes, if we do like this, we might miss it. Let's take it the way it is. That's better than missing the trade. Definitely, this high is weak, as we know. Uh, but 3R is not enough. Maybe extended up to 5R. Let's see 5R. This is the extreme entry. After mitigation, we will look for confirmation. Now that we have our limit order activated, we go to 1 minute to look for another entry. We have here change of character. This was the last candle that pushed price into mitigation. We are expecting that this demand would hold. Let's go back to 5 minutes. Same thing. We will target this high, or maybe up to this high. No break even until this high is broken, or maybe Asian high liquidity is taken. Now we can break even both trades. First one is 5R, the second one is 17R. Maybe second entry is somewhere around here because we haven't still taken the week high. Both trades take profit hit. Now, if this breakdown makes sense to you and you are tired of piecing things together from random videos, I've put everything into one system inside my ebook Right now, I'm also giving lifetime mentorship access as a bonus, so you are not left alone after reading. I only have a few spots open, so if you are serious about finally getting consistent, DM me on Telegram today and I will get you set up. Thank you for watching.